Hi, I am Joe, an artificially generated newscaster, and here's some interesting news. The Royal Mail announced launching its first drone delivery service. So far, it's only operational in the Orkney Islands off the coast of Scotland, but the officials promise to expand it in the coming years. The service is a cooperation with a drone company and a local airline. The drones will transport mail and parcels from a central hub to postal offices on several surrounding islands, where old-fashioned mailmen will finish the job. So, it's not the delivery to your door we have been promised. Such drone deliveries have been struggling to take off in many places worldwide, despite companies like Amazon and DHL investing a lot of money into the concept. However, some of those schemes succeeded, despite spectacular failures early on. Let's hope the Royal Mail learned from the mistakes of others, and we will eventually get the future we have been promised. And that's it for today. See you in the next one.